is good.
Don't judge me about the napkin over the top bottle. But what I'm going to talk about is the Mae Ploy sweet chili sauce. And I poured some in the cap so you can get an idea of what it looks like. A story about even how I discovered this. At the store with my mother, and it was like free sample day. And we came across this sweet Vietnamese lady. Like, she was so sweet. Like, you know, sometimes when you meet someone or meet people just new, like meeting someone new or meeting new people, whatever. And even though it's a stranger, you just feel that family connection. Like, conversations going back and forth, you just have that family vibe. Like, you immediately feel like they're your family. And like, her spirit was just sweet, and it was just so lively and so light. And me and my mom was like, okay, let's see what this is. So she was making, I think it was fried wontons, and it was with vegetable, and it was made with meat. And then she also made egg rolls with just vegetables, and then some with meat. Chicken. She only used chicken. Yeah, vegetables and chicken. And she had 2 different sauces. I forgot the other one. I think it was soy sauce, I believe. I can't remember. But she had this sauce. And she was saying the other sauce, it's like it's okay. But she was like, this sauce, yes, this is the one. And so immediately my mom had the vegetable wonton, and I had the chicken one. And immediately we was like in heaven. Like, we are in heaven. Like, it was delicious, it was divine. Like, it was so good. Like, I kid you not, like, this has to be one of the best sauces I ever had in my life, seriously. And it was amazing. Like, you see it's this sweet chili, but it literally has like a sweet but a little spice tang to it. So it levels up perfectly. It's not more than sweet or more than spicy. It's literally, it matches perfectly, as crazy as it sounds. And so she was like, okay, now for the other sauce. And I was like, like, it's okay, but it's not as good as this one. But she was just telling us, what she uses for, like, chicken, different meats. She pretty much said that she uses it on everything. And I asked my mom, I was like, you want some? Because this is good. And she was like, yeah, let's go ahead and get a bottle of this. We got a bottle of it, and other people was around us, like, after we was like still talking to her, and she was just giving like ideas and stuff on using this sauce. And then she was like, do you want to try it with the egg rolls? And she was so sweet. Like, I love her. Like, it's crazy. Like, okay, they say like strangers or not, but it's like you immediately just feel family with people, and they feel so warm-hearted and it's so just loving, just love all in the air and whatnot. But she was so sweet. I literally felt like that was my family. Like, I kid you not. And she had people coming up and stuff like that, and I was just trying to help her out, because I know getting bombarded or a lot of people around, sometimes with different people, but anyway, kind of just gave the customers like the bottle what they wanted, because she only had, I think, maybe like on a desk when they serving it at, and a lot of people has been buying it. She said that a lot of people have been buying it all day. And so what I had it on, of course I had on chicken, which was delicious. So good. Like when the chicken comes out, I literally just pour it on there, or I mean, have I put the sauce on and put it in the oven? No, I don't think I've done that. I had it like when I had chicken and then I had the sauce on the side. I dipped it in that. Yes, literally. I had it on my cheeseburger. Like, it tastes that good. Like, okay, yeah, it sounds nasty. This on cheeseburger, look, it's good. This is what it looks like. I poured some in the cap, and it has like little flakes of like chili. So that's what the dark orange looks like. And then on the front you can see that, okay, you put it on chicken and stuff like that. But I mean, I love this sauce. And like inside it looks like it looks like this. Well, I don't know, you can really see. That's why I poured it in the cap. But anyway, you can tell that this sauce is good. Like, you see how much is gone? Like, not playing with the sauce. It's like literally down here. Like, yeah, this sauce is that good. And these are just some ideas of what you can put this sauce on. Spring rolls, fish cakes, you know, beef, pork, you know, just this stuff is good. Ain't lying about being delicious. This is good. So yeah, I would recommend this definitely. And this isn't the last time I'm gonna buy this, because this is good. And immediately you can smell like the sweet and the chili. So when you use it, you literally smell like this is some real stuff. But yes, the Mae Ploy sweet chili sauce.